lot of brands are starting to feature AI in their advertising. Some of the campaigns are cool, but the majority of them just kind of suck. What makes the good ones work? Why do most AI ads not resonate with people? And what made some just a little embarrassing? Let's just dive straight into it. Here are some of the most notable flops in AI advertising. Coca-Cola released an AI-generated Christmas commercial reimagining its 1995 Holidays Are Coming campaign. The ad featured AI-created scenes of red trucks delivering Coke in a winter wonderland, a family of polar bears drinking Coke together, and a cute AI golden retriever. Sounds nostalgic, right? Well, not really. The result was a choppy AI-generated disaster that viewers called a creepy dystopian nightmare. Some of these comments summed it up perfectly, to be honest. You're a multi-billion-dollar company. Hire some animators. Another person added, the irony of real magic tagline at the end of a fake commercial. Nothing like celebrating the spirit of Christmas with the most soulless commercial possible. Adding fuel to the fire, Zevia, a competitor, mocked Coca-Cola by releasing an intentionally bad AI-generated ad featuring hilariously distorted images like people holding drinks with 3 arms. If you thought brand wars couldn't get any pettier, welcome to 2024. Not gonna lie though, this one is a pretty killer ad. Next, there was Google's Dear Sydney campaign during the Olympics this year. It showed a dad using AI to help his daughter write a letter to her idol Sydney. Sounds wholesome, but again, it backfired. Critics slammed Google for using AI in such a personal context, saying it cheapened the emotional connection. The backlash was so intense that Google pulled the ad from the Olympics lineup. Ouch. Okay, this one is not an ad, but it's too iconic to skip. In Rogue One, a Star Wars story, filmmakers used CGI to recreate Grand Moff Tarkin and Princess Leia. While the tech was impressive, some fans felt the characters looked odd and unnatural, which made the scenes less believable. Alright, now let's balance things out with some AI success stories. I know that some people don't want to hear this, but let's actually dive into it. First up, Heinz proved why it's the king of ketchup with their AI ketchup campaign. They teamed up with DALL-E 2, an AI image generator, to show the world what ketchup looks like. And almost every image generated looked exactly like Heinz. And they didn't just stop there. They even invited fans to join the fun by creating their own AI-generated ketchup art and sharing it online. It was clever, interactive, reinforced Heinz as the go-to ketchup brand, and perhaps the most important, the internet actually loved it. Going with the same concept here, Nutella also used AI to elevate their product in a unique way. Their Nutella Unica campaign was pure genius. They programmed AI to design 7 million, yes, million unique jar labels. Each one was completely different, making every jar feel like a collector's item. And here's the kicker though, the campaign went viral. Each post for the campaign reached millions of people, and every single jar sold out in under a month. So, what lessons can your brand learn from their mistakes? Why do some brands crush it with AI while others crash and burn? It all comes down to authenticity. When AI is used as a shortcut, audiences can tell and they don't like it. I mean, to put it to you bluntly, it's really not even that hard of a concept to grasp. With tools like Sora now available, entire teams that used to handle production, editing, and design can be replaced by a single person with a laptop. It's faster and it's cheaper and it's efficient, sure, but there's a flip side. Let's think about this for a second. Ads like those for big brands, say Coca-Cola like we watched earlier, feel more like soulless garbage than authentic storytelling. They lack the human touch and emotional connection. AI can replicate a look, but can it really connect? Let's be honest here, when it's used to enhance human creativity, it can lead to amazing results. AI in advertising is like a double-edged sword. It can elevate your brand or destroy it. So use AI as a tool to help you with your creativity, not to replace it.